Hello everyone, I would like to start the new year with an update on the ongoing drone situation. Firstly, it would seem that the entire drone flap perhaps has not died completely, but there is definitely far less media coverage and traction than we used to observe as little as 2 weeks ago. On top of that, we have entered the holiday season, and that further drove the media's attention away from the drone conundrum to the current events and celebrations. Some people also claimed that there may have been influence by the powers that be exerted on the media not to cover the situation, but whether this is indeed a factor we can only guess and speculate at this point. That said, the sightings of strange and various objects in the night sky have not stopped. Local residents in the northeastern states of the USA claim that the activity has remained steady or diminished only a little, but they definitely still observe various strange objects in the night skies. Moreover, the sightings have spilled pretty much globally at this point, as you can see in this video. Press reports also possibly played a role in people looking to the skies and observing. So, as promised, here is an update and a selection of sightings from the recent week to 10 days. Hope you enjoy, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and I will be back soon with a more regular video. The plan being to discuss what is potentially an authentic picture of a non-human alien being. Take care. Look at these lights, dude. Look at these fucking lights. In the sky. Look at that shit. It's aliens. I bet you they're gonna come over here. Here they come. Come on, you little green motherfuckers. I'm just kidding. Take that back. Take that back entirely. Stay over there. Nobody wants any business with you. These sons of bitches come tail my ass, dude.
What the fuck is that? Bro, I'm about to fucking pull over on this shit.
Yeah, I think you should.
Bro.
What the fuck is that?
Yo.
We're seeing it live. Watch, there's a big ass hole right there.
Where? Right here?
Yeah. What the fuck is that?
Hey. What the fuck is
And
that?
they're in sync with each other.
有 UFO 啊，是什么东西啊？这个是，怎么在跑啊？
哎，在这儿，放大这儿。 turn. Oh, look at her doing it. We'll do it again. What? And oh, look at it again. What is that? It's like an airplane dropping. Like it's like a dropping flares or something. I don't get it. What in tarnation is that? We've got the drones. I know it's midnight, but everyone's watching the skies, everyone's watching the fireworks over there, and there's all these. I've never seen this much activity in the sky before, ever, ever, ever. I'm by an airport, but look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're not planes, 100%. I watch the skies all the time. Multi-coloured one just sitting up there in the sky. That's not normal. So literally just from my front doorstep, I can see that one up there, one. That's just a hobby drone. Sitting there. It's going green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red. That is a bright one, that's just. That helicopter. It's got like 2 white lights on the front. And then it double blink either side as well.
Los supercolores nunca lo alcanza a grabar. Carolina, atenta, saca el celular. Tenía un celular con buena calidad, le mete zoom y registra todo el trayecto de esta luz. Aclaramos, ovni es objeto volador no identificado. No quiere decir que sea marciano. Pero yo elijo creer que sí lo es.
Que son marcianos.
Porque Carolina dice, hasta que yo saqué el celular, esto tenía como un trayecto que es imposible para un avión. Hacía tipo zup, 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 rápido, movimientos laterales, arriba, abajo, al costado, derecha, izquierda.
Está chequeado todo esto.
Sí.
Y si no está chequeado,
Cuando ella publica la imagen, ¿ves que va cambiando de dirección? Cuando ella publica la imagen, hay un montón. Mirá, che, de verdad es raro.